I am Karolina.
And I am Edyta.
We would like to invite you to watch a film about Kraków outstanding scholars, people with passion for academic research who often change the perspective of the surrounding reality with their findings.
Not without a reason, our film starts at this site, at the Collegium Maius, one of the oldest buildings of the Jagiellonian University, one of the first universities in Central and Eastern Europe, founded by King Kazimierz the Great in 1364. Many prominent inventors studied here, like one of the most famous Polish astronomers, the founder of the heliocentric theory, Mikołaj Copernicus. It should be remembered that the Jagiellonian University is not the only functioning university in Kraków. There is also the University of Science and Technology, where we are standing now, one of the best technical universities not only in Poland but also in Europe, as well as the University of Technology, the University of Agriculture and the University of Education.
Polish scholars could conduct their academic research and make breakthroughs not only through the support of university centers as well as academic institutions such as the Polish Academy of Arts and Sciences, where we are now, and the Polish Academy of Sciences.
In order to present the profiles of the few Kraków scholars who conducted innovative academic research, we visited the archive of the Polish Academy and Sciences and the Polish Academy of Arts and Sciences, where archival records related to them are being stored. To start with, we would like to introduce Kazimierz Miczyński, a botanist, an ornithologist and a geneticist, a professor of Higher Agricultural School in Kraków and the Jagiellonian University. He became famous for innovative experiments he conducted in plant breeding, but his pioneering ornithological research is the most interesting. Miczyński watched birds, and as you can see on these cards, drew charts with flights of birds and recorded notes of birds singing.
The next researcher is Henryk Hoyer Jr., a histologist, an anatomy researcher, a professor and a president of the Jagiellonian University, a vice president of the Polish Academy of Sciences. Henryk Hoyer Jr. was the founder of the Polish School of Comparative Anatomy and an eminent specialist in the lymphatic system of the vertebrate and the circulatory system anatomy of fish. 100-year-old microscopic preparations made to the alligator lymphatic system, which you can see here, are very interesting. It is impossible not to mention another great Polish scientist, explorer Walery Getel, a geologist and paleontologist, the founder and the president of the Academy of Mining and Metallurgy. He created a new trend in ecology, zoology, the science of active protection of the environment, which deals with the causes and consequences of adverse change caused by the development of civilizations and ways to prevent and reduce their effects. Getel engaged in zoology not only theoretically but also practically, founding many conservation parks in Poland.
Walery Getel also gained fame as a traveler. He made many exploratory expeditions, among which two deserve special attention: the expedition in the Caucasus Mountains and perhaps the most famous expedition to Africa in the years 1924-1929, during which he as the first Pole crossed the African continent from the south to the north. Some unique photographic plates commemorating the expedition as well as 4 photo albums of this type survived.
Another scholar-explorer was Władysław Kotwicz, an Orientalist, a researcher of Mongolian, Manchu and the Kalmyk language. During the expedition to Mongolia in 1912, he discovered, during archaeological excavations in the monastery of Erzincan, hetero unknown ancient inscription in Mongolian, which allowed to learn more about the language and history of the Mongols. A collection of photographs from that expedition survived, some of which you can see here. In this there is pre-Bolshevik Mongolia, the place which was destroyed forever.
One could list many Polish scholars who made crucial discoveries, such as Tadeusz Warzewski, a mathematician who created the theory of differential equations, or Henryk Czechot, an expert in mining and the author of innovative solutions in the mechanical processing of minerals. Here, however, it is impossible to make such a review. We hope that our film, at least to a small extent, show that many Polish scientists contributed to the achievements of the world's science.